Hi and welcome to Kriya Learning. Today our challenge is to build a seesaw that will exactly balance two people who weigh 60 kgs and 40 kgs respectively. To build this, we will need one base plate 120 into 60, 18 building blocks 30, 3 building blocks 15 with bore, 1 clip axle 45, 2 building blocks 30 into 15 into 5 with 3 grooves, 4 building blocks 30 into 15 into 5 with groove and pin, and 2 spring cams. We start by taking a base plate 120 into 60. Our first step is to connect two building block 30s. Now these two building block 30s need to be connected on the 9th slot from the near end on both the near side and the far side. Our next step is to attach two building block 15s with bore on each of the building block 30s that we attached in the previous step. Make sure that the bores of both the building block 15 with bore are facing each other. The next step is to insert a clip axle 45 into the two building block 15 with bores. On the way, attach another building block 15 with bore such that the pin side is facing upwards. What we have created right now are the two pillars to which the fulcrum of the seesaw is attached. What is left is to create the two arms of the seesaw. Now to make each arm, we connect 3 building block 30s one after the other in this fashion. So create two arms, each of which consists of 3 building block 30s. Our next step is to connect each arm on either side of the central building block 15 with groove. Our next step is to decide where to place the seats on both the arms of the seesaw such that they will exactly balance two people weighing 60 kgs and 40 kgs. Since both the arms are of equal length, we know that if this is 3, then at the end of the second building block 30 will be 2. So the next step is to attach the seats. For this, we need a spring cam. Attach a spring cam into the arms of the seesaw at the position that you require. To form the base of the seat, we need a building block 30 into 15 into 5 with 3 grooves. Attach 2 building blocks 30 into 15 into 5 with 3 grooves to each of the spring cams. In the next step, we connect a building block 30 into 15 into 5 with pin and groove to each of the grooves on the building block 30 into 15 into 5 with 3 grooves that we have connected in the previous steps. For the next step, we will have to fix the weights on either side of the seesaw. For simplicity's sake, let us assume that the 60 kg person is 6 building block 30s and the 40 kg person is represented by 4 building block 30s. In the next step, we will start by attaching these 4 building block 30s to one end of the seesaw. Remember, this is the end which is farther from the fulcrum. In the next step, we will attach the 6 building block 30s to the seat on the other arm of the seesaw. Now we adjust both the seats such that the seesaw is capable of balancing two unequal weights that are in a ratio of 3:2. As we can see, because of the position of the seats at a distance which is in a ratio of 2:3, this seesaw is perfectly balancing these two weights. Thank you for watching this video and we hope this will help you in solving this challenge.